I did a reality show called Splitsvilla. I would not want people to remember that. मैं आज भी फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता. जो चीज नहीं करना चाहिए था, बच्चा भी हो गया, शादी भी हो गया किसी का. We have a house in Bhimtal. We were going there in July. We taken all the permissions from the border. We were sent back. मतलब literally like half an hour away from our house. My hair can survive a twister. Abhi it's not properly fixed. So I think I can take a small sip.
Yeah.
There's someone sent me a letter with blood and all. It kind of freaked me out. I was there as a guest. There were two other actors. They were dumber than me over there. I'm sure the host and even the other two people who were sitting next to me did not know these answers. Please go and troll them and ask them. And I'm sure they still don't know. Tables had turned.
मेरे हाथों में ना तेरी लकीरें हैं बहुत अलग सी अपनी तकदीरें.
How's it been for you? I mean, are you settled in with this new normal जो सब बात कर रहे हैं जिसकी?
Kind of, yeah. Trying to settle in. I'm sure everybody's just trying to fit in and settle in. And I was in Delhi actually for 5 good months. I was with my family. And it's just been a month since I've come back. So I was just trying to settle in back in Bombay more than the new normal.
Yeah, अब वो तो और भी difficult हो रहा होगा ना अजय. घर के बाद तो वापस वो भी, you know, in this phase where you have to stay at home unless and until it's like of die-hard importance that you have to go out.
Yeah, and I think people have started stepping out and they started shooting. They started doing their normal daily activities and everything, but with precautions. Obviously, everybody's trying to adapt into this, and yeah, I think it was amazing. I've never stayed with my family for so long after I moved to Bombay. 5 months is a long time. So yeah, it was a little difficult when I came back, but it's fine. It's good. I have my friends here. I have my other family here.
Okay. So before I begin, where's your cup of coffee so that I cheers you? Cheers on Coffee Time with Riha. I welcome you officially now. सबसे पहले तो tell me one thing. Everybody, this quarantine phase has a crazy quarantine story. Does Arjit Taneja have one?
Crazy quarantine story. I mean, in like what context? Kaisi crazy?
I mean, कुछ भी crazy. I mean, you are a Delhi boy. You have, and since you spent 5 months in Delhi, कुछ ना कुछ तो crazy.
It wasn't crazy. Actually, it was a little scary and difficult because so my sister was expecting.
Okay.
And she was due in April, and quarantine had just begun in March. So it was a very scary time for all of us because there was a baby being born into a family, and during these times, hospital jana and getting the passes, the e-pass, and actually driving around, and it was a ghost town in April.
That's true.
In everywhere, all over the world, not only India or Delhi or Bombay. So when you used to step out in the car and you could just see dogs on the street, nothing else. So it was very uncanny and spooky. So I think that was there with everyone. Something I think ऐसा experience किया होगा, but it had its good points also. The sky was blue in Delhi. I've never seen such a clear sky. I think nature के लिए बहुत अच्छा था, but to experience these times, these are really difficult times. A pandemic, I think it's not easy. It's very difficult.
No, and I totally relate with whatever you are saying because I've had a similar instance with my own family and very close relative where there was somebody expecting and we had to just go through that entire drill. यहाँ पे तो भाई Delhi, Noida, the borders are sealed, everything happens. It was crazy.
That too happened with us. So my sister stays in Gurgaon and the hospital was in GK. You're from Delhi, I'm sure you know these places.
Yes.
So delivery तो हो गई, उसके बाद घर भी चले गई. But for us to go to Gurgaon, I remember we had to stand for like 45 minutes to an hour at the toll and convince the people, the police people and the military was there at that time. We literally had to, beg them and keep, please, jane do. And we had the passes, despite of we having those passes. It was not easy. It
wasn't. Because everybody, it was very, it was new
and
to
I'm
everyone.
sure they were also doing their job, so there was nothing wrong in that.
Yes.
But quite spooky.
You can actually give us a crash course on how to go about things while in the lockdown, because I believe you've had trips with your friends during this lockdown phase. I think you've also attended a wedding, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, I have. You've done your research, huh?
Yes, सब करा अपने पूरे lockdown में, so you know भाई how to be safe and yet have your share of fun.
जो चीज नहीं करना चाहिए था, बच्चा भी हो गया, शादी भी हो गया किसी का, that everyone was avoiding that.
अरे कितनी देर शादी इंतजार हो गया.
We were, in fact, we have a holiday home. We have a house in Bhimtal, if you know Uttarakhand.
Yes,
so
of
we
course.
were going there in July. We'd taken all the permissions from the border. We were sent back. Matlab literally like half an hour away from our house because the authorities were so strict. तो वो सब कर लिया, सब try कर लिया lockdown. जो नहीं करना चाहिए था ना, ये होता है ना Delhi के उसमें थोड़ा.
मतलब अब जा सकते हैं कि नहीं? This is like for my own consumption that I'm asking you, because we have been planning the trip to hills.
My family is there. They went day before yesterday, and I'm having major FOMO. So I'm sure you can go.
Okay, all right. I will do that, and then we'll do these lives from the hills.
Yeah, best.
So tell me, what else is happening now that you are back to the Bay? You must be getting into the scheme of things, meeting friends, also looking at what else people are doing while working. You must have met people who have gone out on shoots. Any particular stories that you heard from them?
So see, everybody started shooting more or less. All the people who were working before the quarantine, जिनके shows चल रहे थे, सब कर रहे हैं. I wrapped up my shoot in January and my show shut, so I wasn't working in obviously before that and now also. But I have friends who've been working and they're taking all the precautions. The first day back on set, I remember people telling me it was very scary, and the whole atmosphere was. Everybody was pretty scared and being very cautious, which they should be cautious. But everybody was pretty paranoid also, because to get back and even when the virus goes, this will always stay in your mind, that being a little paranoid with everything.
Yeah.
So and many people got detected with it also during the shoot. So but yeah, I think the saying "एक ना एक बार सबको होना ही है" तो.
Yeah, that is pretty scary. So, अब हम क्या करेंगे? We'll make you miss Delhi a little more. ठीक है? We are not very nice here. We'll make you miss Delhi a little more.
Thanks.
And
just what Delhi... I needed.
And since you are on your own and you don't get घर का खाना, और ऊपर से दिल्ली का food heavy haven छोड़ के आप आए हैं. So let me.
I make good food. I have made my peace with the food. I can cook well.
अच्छा, what all have you tried? I mean, do you know how to cook, or this is a recent fad that you picked up?
No, I mean, I can cook a lot of things. I like cooking different things. Matlab, be it some grilled chicken, grilled fish, and some exotic veggies, and getting all that stuff and cooking. But during the lockdown, I also सबके पास time इतना था, तो मैंने बहुत कुछ बनाया. Cake भी बनाया था काफी दफा.
Wow.
And like making some Chinese style prawns, Thai curry, and all that different stuff. I like making. Actually, I like eating. I'm a
very
big
nice.
foodie.
But that's nice, yeah. That means you are like a certified cook. You can cook for a living. You can do
cook.
that.
I can cook.
सारे dishes.
I can.
Wow, nice.
I can survive.
अच्छा, दिल्ली में अगर इन चीजों के लिए जाना हो, तो कहाँ जाओगे आप? सबसे पहले momos. Where would you go in Delhi for momos?
See, I have not stayed in Delhi for like good 7-8 years now, but the last I remember eating all throughout the school life and college life is GK1 में M Block में एक auntie है. I don't know, some auntie. Dolma auntie. Yeah. So she used to give amazing momos and brown sugar, of course. Yeah.
Brown sugar, yeah.
So I remember we used to go for shisha and momos at Brown Sugar in Defcon. So yeah. I think मैंने सही जवाब दिया है.
Yes, momos and Dolma auntie, yeah, of course. And pasta, where would you go for?
Big Chill, for sure. Goes without saying. There shouldn't be a question for a Delhiite.
Yeah, that's true. Chole bhature.
Chacha, Kamla Nagar.
Wow, yeah. You know Delhi, yeah.
I stay in North Delhi. I am from Model Town, and I've been in DU for 2 years. I was in Khalsa College. Khalsa College.
Okay, Khalsa. Okay.
So and all throughout my childhood, we've had Chacha Ke Chole Bhature have been like super popular.
Yeah, I swear. So I was in IP, and IP was a little off campus, right? Delhi University. We used to take an auto, like 20 bucks, 4 girls. We used to, Dutch $5 bucks, and then go to Chacha Ke Chole. चलना ना कर.
अभी काफी महंगा हो गया. वो 5 रुपए वाला जमाना गया अभी.
I know. I know. Okay, so what we are going to do is, abhi aapki coffee thandi na ho jaye, so I have a little game that I like to call sip and spin.
I'm having an Americano, so it's thanda only. You can.
Okay. So this game is called sip and spin. All right, take a sip. If you obsess or fuss about your hair a lot.
I think I should down it. So when I'm shooting also, like in my last show, there were 7 ladies in the show, and I was me and there was another guy. We were only 2 guys. I used to take like 20 to 30 minutes for my hair, sometimes more than the lead girls of my show. So I'm that obsessed with my hair.
That's crazy. My hair takes 5 minutes, and I'm not kidding.
Yeah. मैंने ये बहुत सुना है.
इस इंटरव्यू पे लाइव पे बैठने से पहले how much time did you take to fix your hair, or did you fix your hair?
No, this was fixed before only. I had to go and meet a few people, so
okay.
Abhi it's not properly fixed. Like my hair can survive a twister.
Nice. Super power है hair के पास.
काफी.
Okay, the second one. Take a sip if you can mostly win an argument or you are really good at convincing people.
I don't know, yaar. Actually, others can tell that. I mean, I don't know. I'll be just.
Last I checked, you are from a lawyer's family. कुछ तो rub off हुआ होगा ना?
कुछ नहीं हुआ तभी यहाँ आ गया. No, I think I'm good at. I don't know. I think winning an argument leads to fights. So sometimes either you can win it, and if you're winning an argument, basically you're just convincing the other person. So I think it means the same thing, right?
Yeah.
So I think at times, but कभी-कभी चुप हो जाना चाहिए, because the other person is just going to say bullshit and not understand and just going to go on. So it's better to just. So I think I can take a small sip.
Yeah. Acha, teesra. Take a sip if you've had a crazy, like really crazy fan experience.
Yeah. So I think a couple of them. Some crazy in a good way, some crazy in a bad way as well. Someone in Indonesia, when I was staying in Indonesia, I was working over there. Someone sent me a letter with blood and all. So I think that was it kind of freaked me out.
Yeah, that's true.
It was scary more than being happy about it. So,
yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I think that was a crazy experience. Rest, yeah, I think every little fan thing that they do, I think everything is pretty crazy and sweet and cute and lovable. All the gifts, all those letters, all those collages that they make, it's just amazing.
Okay, the next one. Take a sip if you've been part of a show that you want to forget about or you want others to forget about.
Do you want me to name the show also? I can name it actually.
Your wish.
So I did, my first thing was, I did a reality show called Splitsvilla. So I would not want people to remember that. And I would not want... I don't know, I'm not pretty proud of what I did over there, so...
Okay. All right.
Just owning up to
Fair
it.
enough. Okay. Take a sip if you've ever gotten even with a girl who probably did not give you enough bhav back in school or college and you happened to meet her recently.
So many times after being an actor. A lot of times.
What are you saying?
Trust me, a lot of times. After being an actor, especially, there are 2-3 people. Obviously, that I cannot name. But after being a little popular, I received a few messages, and
you marod
those
bhau.
people didn't. Those people never even spoke to me, and there was a lot of attitude shown and a lot of weight thrown around here and there. But yeah, tables had turned.
Okay, nice. Okay, on that note, take a sip if you've ever gotten injured in trying to impress someone, impress a girl. Like injured or you made a fool of yourself. You haven't. Not even made a fool of yourself. Wow, very smart. Delhi ka ladka.
I mean, I'm not genuinely.
Okay. Take a sip if you have been on an interview and was stumped by GK questions being thrown at you.
I was.
Like a normal interview.
And I'm sure you know that. I'm sure you know that.
No, I'm asking you this question because many people tend to ask GK questions, and I don't want to take an Alia Bhatt reference. But
honestly, I was. There was this show called Bad Company. A person was hosting, and I was there as a guest. There were 2 other actors, female actors, and I would just want to clear it once and for all that I did know a couple of the answers, and the rest of the people who were sitting there with me were pretty shut. They were dumber than me over there. So it was, I don't know, it was shown and portrayed in a different way, and it was trending and all that. So I just want to put it out there that I'm sure the host and even the other 2 people who were sitting next to me did not know these answers. So please go and troll them and ask them. And I'm sure they still don't know. And there's so many people, if I ask them, the president and the prime minister of the country, they will not be answering the right answer. They will not be giving the right answer. So these are the ones who are going to troll you for not answering the GK question.
Okay. So this is something that was completely honest and I did not know about this. This is my bad. But I really want to ask you this. Why does it happen? Do you think it's become a trend after Coffee with Karan कि भाई कोई भी actor को आप normally interview के लिए बुला रहे हो and then you end up asking कि whatever, किसका president कौन है और इसका country का capital कौन है?
I don't know if it's a trend or something, but अगर आप normally पूछ रहे हो, it is fine. You can ask normally, but just to put someone down and make a joke out of it, I think it's really stupid. You should not do that. I mean, it's that's what I think.
Okay, all right. The next one. Take a sip if you have ever written a love letter in your life.
Love letter. I mean, a little note probably. I don't know. Not exactly a love letter.
I mean, you are of that generation.
I have not a letter. मैंने फोन पे लिख के भेजा होगा, उसको लेटर ही कहेंगे ना, या स्कूल में जैसे कॉपी वॉपी होता है ना, कॉपी के पीछे से कभी लिख देते थे और something like that. So I think that is the thing.
Do you remember what did you write? कोई भी एक कुछ ऐसा funny सा लिखा हो.
I have no
Your
clue,
admirer.
Once I remember like a stupid fool. I must have written. तब तो landline रहता था ना घर पे. I mean, mobiles and all. We did not have mobiles in school time, in our school time. So I remember like a stupid person. I had written my landline number. I had written my name. So yeah.
कि इस पे फोन करना, मैं जवाब दूंगा.
मैंने आगे कुछ नहीं लिखा. मैंने सिर्फ अपना नंबर लिख दिया और नीचे नाम लिख दिया. So I don't know why I did that, but I remember doing that. Very funnily. Why?
Okay, that's interesting. Okay, the last one. Take a sip if your first ever celebrity crush was questionable. Like, who was your first celebrity crush? School
I don't think it was questionable. My first celebrity crush was Preeti Zinta and Raveena Tandon. I used to like. So I don't think. I think वो बहुत लोगों का था वो दोनों तो. It's not questionable.
No, not questionable at all. Look, I get really interesting answers when I ask this. So I was interviewing Surbhi Jyoti and she said her first celebrity crush was Bill Clinton. So I was like, yeah.
Well, since the time I have known Surbhi Jyoti, I think the only crush that she has is Hugh Jackman.
Yeah, she has Hugh Jackman. So the first ever.
Left, right, center with Hugh Jackman.
Yeah, that is there. But छोटी थी ना, तो बिल क्लिंटन भी पसंद था.
Like how many people used to say Rahul
this was
Gandhi?
fun.
Oh.
Yeah, because of the dimples. Maybe. But वो भी questionable नहीं है. You can, it's debatable.
Yeah, it's debatable.
Okay, so I was saying that जो भी मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत पता है आपके बारे में, मुझे ये तो पता है कि आप में एक फिल्मी कीड़ा है. So we will just try to get that कीड़ा बाहर. I'll give you certain instances and you will actually complete the dialogue of the film. Very, very easy, very, very iconic dialogues. But you'd have to also act it out as they are. Okay? ऐसे सीधा flat face नहीं बोलना है. Now is the time for the actor in you to come out on this live. Okay?
This was the day I was waiting.
Very easy. अरे बहुत easy है, बिल्कुल मतलब बच्चों के लिए है ये. तो you can to crack it like that. So you have to just complete the dialogue. And Taneja से मुझे पहला dialogue तो तेजा आता है. So please complete that dialogue. तेजा.
तेजा मैं हूँ, मार्क इधर है. नहीं, मार्क इधर है. हाँ.
इधर है. Okay, Senorita.
Senorita. Oh, बड़े-बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती है.
The next one is something that involves Shakti Kapoor in a black cape. Shakti Kapoor.
This one, Andaz Apna Apna. Yeah, what about it?
What is that dialogue that he says?
आंखें निकाल के गोटियां खेलूंगा.
हाँ, उसके
That,
बाद.
right? उसके बाद क्या कहता है?
Crime Master.
Crime Master Gogo. Yeah.
नाम है मेरा.
नाम है Crime Master Gogo, नाम है मेरा. आंखें निकाल के गोटियां.
Okay,
actually,
the
I'm
last
so busy in thinking the dialogues, I'm not able to enact them.
Actually, last one. This one has, of course, Mr. Bachchan. And Mr. Bachchan, who would never pick up money which is thrown at him.
मैं आज भी फेंके हुए पैसे नहीं उठाता.
Nice, and I hope you're happy with the segment. So what will Mogambo say when he's happy with something?
खुश हुआ.
भाई Big Boss तो जान ही रहे आप. You have rejected the proposal. Why did that happen?
How do you know about that?
Journalist.
I was not ready to do it. I was not ready to do it right now. I mean, mentally not ready to do it. I might do it sometime, but actually I was still contemplating. इससे पहले तो मेरे को बिल्कुल वो था that I don't want to do it, but I was still contemplating doing it this year. But no, yeah, not right now. I think हर चीज का टाइम होता है. अभी इसका नहीं है.
So, do you think it's very intimidating for the cameras to be on you 24/7 and for people to see every bit of your personality? Do you think that's very overbearing sometimes? Do you think you're not ready for that?
Yeah, it could be. I mean, that could be one of the reasons of not wanting to be under the radar for like 24 hours all the time and not being ready for that. I don't know. Not right now.
So we're just going to take a couple of fan questions that I'm getting. This is by
There are a lot of them.
Team Shabira. Best thing a fan has done for your
Team
birthday.
Shabira. I know this person. I know her. She's an amazing, very good fan of Shabir. Right. Best thing a fan has done for your birthday. Decorated my whole makeup room with so many balloons and so many gifts and cakes. I think it was Tanya, the fan's name, who did that. And got an amazing cake, that full customized cake. And yeah, I think that's pretty sweet.
Okay. Let me
Somebody
take this.
There was one fan who gifted a very expensive something in gold also last year.
Okay. Okay.
So,
ये सही है. Gold वोल्ड बेचते जाओ, ये अच्छा है. So do you think your most deep relationship, I mean professional phase में जब आप acting करना आपने शुरू किया, was it from Kumkum Bhagya or you've made friends later also?
No, that was my first show. After I did Splits Villa, that was my first show. Like I was 21. I remember when I started doing that show, 2014, and I got out in 2016, and so good 2.5 years. And yeah, I think most of my friends are from that show because it was my first show.
Right. Right. And you have been going out, doing those trips also with them. I believe you went to, where did you guys go?
We just went, yeah, we went to Karjat. It was like after long we all had met, and it was some amazing time. It's like a mini hill station. It was in the middle of the valley, and वहाँ पे एक जगह से waterfall थी. There were streams and cooked Maggie and had a blast. It was amazing.
Okay, and before I let you go, I have to ask you this: what is next for Arjit Taneja? What are you looking at doing? Something that you have in mind कि अब मुझे इस direction में जाना है. This is something that I'll say yes to.
I think direction तो एक ही है. I think what is different is the medium right now. There is web, there is TV, and there are films. And medium really doesn't matter in today's time because if you see theaters are shut, so everything is on the web or on the television. So that really does not matter. But kuch ho acha ho, let's see. I'm still discussing a few things. Maybe whatever works out and materializes. All
right, Arjit. Thank you so much for doing this, and it's been really lovely.
Thank you, Kriya. Amazing talking to you. Yeah.